Hello children, today as we already completed the 8 problems in exercise 1.2, the next problem we will see here now, it is the ninth one. To stitch a shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed out of 40 meter cloth. How many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will be remain, right? So we have to see here that the example is given, there is a cloth given, total cloth is given 40 meter and in that we have to stitch a shirt. So it is a shirt means one shirt. So one shirt means 2 meter 50 centimeter, right? So total they have given, you have to find out how many shirts can be stitched in the total given value, right? So before that you have to see that, you can see here 2 meter 15 centimeter and 40 meter is given. The dimensions means the units is different here. So whenever you have to calculate the problem, you have to convert it into the same unit. So if you see that 2 meter 15 centimeter will become, as you already know that 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Already you have learnt in your previous classes. Okay. So it will become 200 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. So total it is 215 centimeter. The same way for 40 meter also. If you do that 40 into 100, it will become 4000 centimeter, right? So you have to convert it in this way, the units, and then you have to calculate it. As already we have seen that in your previous classes, like addition, subtraction and multiplication, where in multiplication you can see that for one quantity how much, right? So 10 quantity. The same way here you have to, the quantity is given more and you have to find it for the similar small quantity. So here you have to go with the division, that is 4000 divided by 215. So this we will see in the solution. Okay. Now here solution, cloth required to stitch one shirt, it is 215 centimeter and total length of the cloth is 4000 centimeter, right? So now we have to find out is number of shirts, how many it can be stitched. So that is number of shirts that can be stitched. It is, you have to divide, as I already said you that 4000 divided by 215. So divide that. And as you already know that how to do the divisions in your previous classes. Okay. So I will do the division directly here. So 215 ones are 215. And as you know that 0 minus 5 you can't do that, you have to borrow from the previous number. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 1 is 8, 3 minus 2 is 1. So 0 comes down, right? Now the next number, you have to see the tables, you have to see the calculation. I am doing it directly, you can calculate and do the calculations, right? So now it is 1720. 0 minus 0, 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 7 is 1, 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So 130. You got that 130. And hence 18 shirts can be stitched and 130 centimeter is, 130 centimeter cloth is left. And as we have seen that we have converted into the centimeter, but the question was given in meter. So now this you can write it in the same meter, that is 130 centimeter is nothing but 1 meter 30 centimeter, right? So from the quotient you got that it is a 18 shirts and from the remainder you got that 130 centimeter, that is the cloth is left out with the 130 centimeter extra. So 18 shirts can be stitched in the 40 meter cloth. Left out cloth is this much. This is the final answer. Okay. Next problem. Here 10th problem. Medicine is packed in a boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry behind 800 kg? Means there is a van which can it is loaded with the medicine boxes and one box weight is given that it is 4 kg 500 gram, right? But the capacity of that van, which maximum it can be loaded up to 800 kg, right? So this is we have to find out. So such kind of how many boxes we can load in a van, right? So as I already said you in the previous problem, we have to convert whenever it is given in a different measurements or a units, right? So it is given here kg and gram and this is given again in a kg. So here is the conversion, 4 kg 500 gram. It means already you know that 1 kg is 1000 gram. So 4000 gram plus 500 is 4500 gram. 800 kg is nothing but 800 into 1000 it is 8 lakh, right? So means 800 into 1000, right? You can see that. Now this you have to divide. As I already said you that when it is given a more quantity, finding for the smaller one, you have to divide it. Will you see the solution? Now here is the solution. Weight of a box is 4 kg 500 gram, that is 4500 gram, right? Maximum weight of the van, right, that is 800 kg. 800 into 1000 is 8 lakh gram, right? So now you can see that you have to find out total number of the boxes, how many it can be loaded in a van. So number of boxes can be loaded in a van are, that is you have to divide. As I already said you that for a large quantity, finding for the smaller one, you have to divide, right? So 8 lakh divided by 4500. As you already know that in the division, if you have a units place, tens place, the same zero values, you can cancel it directly when it is written in a fraction way, right? So now what you will get? 8000 divided by 45. So now 8000 divided by 45 you got. So now the further you can divide this value. 8000 divided by 45. Divide that and you will get the quotient and the remainder. From that you will get the how many boxes can be loaded. Now you try this calculation of yourself and do it. Okay. Here is the next problem, 11th one. The distance between the school and the house of a student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Right? Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Means the distance between the student house and the school, the value is given is distance is 1 kilometer 875 meter, right? And she walks both the ways going and coming. So you have to double the value of this and then you have to find the same value for the 6 days. The value which you have doubled, you have to find it for the 6 days. So 6 days finding means is nothing but multiplying the value, right? What the value is given here, you have to double it and you have to multiply with the 6 for a 6 days. We will see the solution here. Okay, here is the solution. Distance between the school and the student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. As I already said you that you have to convert it to the same meter. It is given in kilometer. 1 kilometer is nothing but 1000 meter. So you will get it 1875 meter, right? Now total distance in both the ways, right? So she is going and coming back. That is the value. You have to double it. Total distance covered, right? 2 into what you got that conversion, that you have to multiply here. So you will get that 3750. I have done the calculation directly. You can work out in your rough column in your classwork. So 3750 meter for the two ways, means both the ways. And then the total distance for 6 days. Distance covered in 6 days. That is what you got the answer after doubling. That you have to multiply with the 6. Because here this problem is based on multiplication. Fine. Means you have to finding for the 2 ways and 6 days. So you have to multiply. So as I already done the calculation here, again you can try it in your classwork. 6 into 3750, you will get that 500 meter, right? So thus therefore the total distance covered by her in 6 days is, as the question is given in kilometer and meter. Again you convert it into the kilometer and meter, that it will become 22 kilometer 500 meter. Right? This is the answer. I hope you understood the problems. And next you have a 12th problem that you can take it as a homework and you can do it in your homework. Thank you.